Do you know what is the best hacker EDC tool? Not this one. And not this one. And not even this one. Now look at this one. Let me show you something. But first let me remove SD card. Hold on a second, I don't have nails. How to remove this SD card? Oh, this is handy. And actually this carbon fiber mini crowbar, which cost only $2, is the best EDC tool for hacker, computer enthusiasts, and a lot of other people. Let me show you why. I was really shocked when I discovered this tool just accidentally. For example, if you had LilyGo embed, you know like how hard it is to remove SD card. It's almost impossible because it's not spring loaded. I used to do it with a screwdriver, but screwdriver scratch everything, and this tool doesn't. You know, like the other problem with LilyGo embed, sometimes it freezes, and when it freezes you need to reboot it, and reboot button is far inside behind the battery. So I have to open it and reach to this button. So you probably see there are a lot of scratches on the battery just because I use screwdriver to press this button and pull the battery. This tool is a lot better. First of all, because it doesn't leave scratches. Second of all, you wouldn't be able to short circuit and fry your LilyGo embed when pressing that reset button with your screwdriver, just because you touch some metal parts on your PCB. This tool also very handy, for example, when I need to remove the batteries in my AirTag. But also because it's carbon fiber and it's pretty strong, you can use it to disassemble some electronics without scratching or just damaging it. For example, look at this ancient netbook. And you know what? To get to the SSD or to upgrade RAM, instead of taking back cover like on every regular notebook, you just have to take the keyboard off. And if you have mechanical keyboard, if you want to remove switches, replace them, it's also very easy to do with this tool. And this tool has a lot more use cases that I showed you, just trust me. There are different brands and different variations of this tool, but I found this one is the best. So if you break it, you can just reshape it and use it again. If you need it sharper, you can sharpen it. If you need it blunter, you can just de-sharpen it. And it's also TSA-safe, so I can take it into my hand luggage in airplane. I want to carry this tool with me, and I can fit this tool under my phone case, for example, because it's very slim and it's very lightweight, by the way. It doesn't weigh almost anything, like 2 grams or something. You wouldn't feel the weight of it because it's carbon fiber. So I want to carry it with me all the time, and I decided to put it on my keychain, but it's a bit long for my keychain, right? I did a little bit DIY. So let me show you what I did. I cut it into 2 pieces, so now I have 2 tools instead of 1. I drill a small holes so I can put it on my keychain or whatever I want. And I just a little bit rounded the edges. Now, it is the best EDC tool you can have. Trust me. So where can you find this tool? You can find it everywhere. Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, eBay. Just search for carbon mobile phone repair tool. Which brand to buy? I have 2, Real Life and M-Ant. Whatever does it mean. So they both look similar, they perform similar as well. So it doesn't really matter what brand would you choose, they're very similar. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content, guys. See you!